It's going now. It's going.
Hi there, I'm Dan Kniff with Interplant Sales. We're going to run a capital sander for you here today. This is inside the wheel compartment. It's got a three-wheel design, which is pretty nice. And this is for tensioning the belt here, for changing it. And adjusting the tracking here, move this to get the belt off. Machine's wired at 220 three-phase. Machine up here on it. Got variable speed in-feed belt.
Should I get over there with the...
Turn the feed on. Get power up and down on the table. Hold the tail adjusting down. Table adjusting up. Turn the main spindle on here.